We are back with more Good Day Kansas. Today we're hanging out at Superior Boiler, headquartered right here in Hutchinson, Kansas. Very excited to be with HR Manager. This is Chris Nuttman. Chris, thanks for your time today.
Hi, thanks for coming.
Of course, we want to learn a little bit about what you all do. I know it is a grand scale, global initiative here, but just share with us a little bit about Superior Boiler.
Absolutely. So Superior Boiler is a global manufacturer of industrial boilers. And what a boiler does is makes steam or hot water. And they're used in industries that span the range from education to healthcare to manufacturing. Just about any business you can think of probably has a boiler running somewhere.
And as we are today talking about Internet Freedom for All, you utilize services from IdeaTek. Tell us a little bit about how they help your business.
We actually have a network of sales representatives across the lower 48 and internationally that represent our product line. So we're in contact with them on a daily basis, and we need that communication to be reliable.
Right.
We do a lot of online conferencing, so we're using video and we're screen sharing and communicating back and forth with them. So having that reliable connection, reliable speed is invaluable. We have a representative in the Middle East that actually does quite a bit of business for us. He's found just a really niche demand for a quality product, so he's in contact with us on a pretty regular basis.
Wonderful. Let's learn a little bit about how IdeaTek provides that service. Now we get to hear from IdeaTek Educational Sales. This is Matt Towne. Thanks for your time today, Matt.
Oh, thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. So we learned a little bit about what you did for Superior Boiler. We want to learn more about, that was just one example. So you do customize your care for all businesses, don't you?
Absolutely. Superior Boiler would be an example of an enterprise grade customer, but we customize down to single individuals, home businesses, work from home options, and then even residential customers. IdeaTek is about bringing internet freedom to everybody. Not just high-level customers.
I love that. And how do you do that? Do you take time to learn their needs, or walk me through that?
Oh, absolutely. Every customer gets the same attention to detail, regardless of size. So we start off with a conversation about exactly what they're looking for and what their business is about, so we can partner with them rather than just have a sales interaction. So it's not just transactional. And then we actually have teams that go out and we'll do discoveries on site. The techs will go out and make sure that the information we got was accurate.
Sure.
And the customer gets what they need the first time rather than making multiple trips.
Amazing. Well, I know they appreciate it, and we appreciate what you're offering for the state. Thank you. If someone is at home, a business of any size, wants more information, where can they get it?
Well, they can go to our website, or they can reach me by email. If I will get that information out to the appropriate person if it's not me.
So Chris, why did you choose IdeaTek for your services?
I think it was a pretty easy choice for us. Superior Boiler really does try to keep a lot of things local as much as we can. There's some things that we have to go outside of Kansas for, but having a reliable provider just right down the street in Buhler really made it simple for us.
Yeah, wonderful. Well, thank you for what you're doing. We appreciate your time today as well.
Thank you so much.
Of course, if you're interested in any services from IdeaTek, please reach out to them on their website, ideatech.com. But stick around, we have more right after this.